Respected Wall Street analyst 𝗗𝗏 is calling it like it is. The next 10-day will make millionaires in 2025. Today, we're diving headfirst into 𝗗𝗏's boldest prediction yet. According to Lee, we are seeing signs of investor panic, and while many want to exit the market, the rule of 10 best days strongly argues against market timing. The rise in tariff uncertainty and relentless selling in stocks in the past few weeks has prompted many investors to step to the sidelines. JP Morgan's trading deck recently issued a tactical bearish call and is recommending investors bet to the downside. 𝗗𝗏 believes this is a mistake, and in fact earlier this week, he pointed out that equities could bottom this week. In this video you're about to see, Lee specifically highlights the rule of 10 best days, which specifically means that the stock market makes most of its gains in 10 trading days in any single year. This might surprise many investors, but the numbers don't lie. This has been true for the past 90 years, and it is equally true in the past 10 years. Investors are better off buying and holding rather than try to tactically time entries and exits in the market. So, are you ready to turn your portfolio from a sleeper into a screaming eagle? These 3 stocks could make you a millionaire in 10 days. That's right, you heard me. 3 stocks, 10 days, and the potential to make you a millionaire. We're talking life-changing gains here, folks. First up, we're looking at a titan in the world of digital payments, a true pioneer in how we send and receive money. Next, we'll be swiping right on a company that's completely revolutionized the dating game, a global giant connecting hearts and wallets alike. And finally, get ready to be floored by a semiconductor powerhouse, a leader in cutting-edge technology that's shaping the future. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. We're about to break down these explosive opportunities, so hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Let's hear what 𝗗𝗏 has to say.
I am optimistic. I can understand why investors are sitting on their hands. They don't really know how severe these tariffs are going to be, how long they are, but now we're seeing a big price correction, a decline in sentiment, and then something like today, we got a bad ADP jobs report, and the market's actually up, so we're actually rising on bad news, which is a good sign that a lot of bad news is priced in.
But do you agree with Adam that the first half of the year is likely to be a little more choppy, and that you can get through some of these issues here regarding trade, and then you look down the road to tax policy and think that, okay, well, that's going to usher in a better back half of the year?
In fact, what's just happened in the last
tax policy, excuse me.
Yeah, what happened in the last 6 weeks is essentially a bear market that has swept through sentiment and positioning, right? Because if you look at hedge fund positioning, it's gone almost neutral, and a huge correction in momentum. So I think it's very possible that March, April, May could actually be like one of these huge rally months where we're rallying 10, 15%.
Is this a buy, this unsettled market that we've witnessed recently?
Yes. In my mind, we put out a piece yesterday just talking about the 10 best days that happen every year. Last year, for instance, the 10 best days added up to 21 percentage points of the S&P. X those 10 days, the market was only up 4%. So, you don't get 20% years because it's good through the year. It's just the 10 best days. I think the setup for a 10 best day is near, because if the economy's near stall speed, I think people realize the Trump put does come back, because otherwise it has to unwind all this austerity. And if the job market's soft, the Fed put comes back into play, because the Fed doesn't want to play with stall speed. And I think that's what is going to be the positive catalyst in the next couple of weeks. And on top of that, we already know stocks will bottom before bad news peaks. And so if we're seeing the market not fade on bad news, that means we're already priced in a lot of things that would scare us.
Now, before we dive in deeper into today's list, I want to let you in on a little secret that could completely transform how you invest and grow your wealth. This video is sponsored by Forecaster Terminal, a tool I've been using to uncover these incredible stocks, and honestly, it's been a game changer for my research. This software, powered by the Forecaster AI agent, uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to analyze all financial instruments, whether it's stocks, ETFs, cryptos, indexes, forex, and even commodities. It's like having your own expert financial analyst working around the clock to give you the most accurate insights and uncover new opportunities. With Forecaster, I can quickly identify value stocks, growth stocks that are ready to break out, and even spot seasonal trends in the market that most investors overlook. I can spot insider transactions in seconds. The political tool tells you when politicians are buying or selling shares in a company. If you're serious about investing, this is the tool that can completely transform your portfolio. It's designed to help you find opportunities, reduce risks, and make smarter decisions that could grow your wealth faster than you thought possible. So, if you're ready to take your investing game to the next level, click the link in the description now to try Forecaster Terminal for free, and use my code Galore10 to get a 10% discount when you sign up. Don't miss out on this game changer for your portfolio. Alright, let's kick things off with a name a name synonymous with online payments, PayPal. This company has been a trailblazer in the digital payment space, setting standards and breaking barriers since its inception. We're talking about a company that needs no introduction, a true behemoth in the world of digital transactions. PayPal, ticker symbol PIPL, has revolutionized the way we think about money, making it easier and more convenient to send and receive payments online. But here's the thing, folks. PayPal isn't just resting on its laurels. They're not content with simply being a household name. They're constantly innovating, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the fintech space. Their teams are always brainstorming, always looking for the next big thing. They're constantly innovating, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the fintech space. From developing new technologies to enhancing user experience, PayPal is always at the forefront of fintech innovation. Think about it, they've been at the forefront of the digital payment revolution since the dawn of e-commerce. They were there when online shopping was just a novel idea, and they've grown alongside it, adapting and evolving with the times. They've weathered every storm, adapted to every change, and emerged stronger each and every time. From the dot-com bubble to the financial crisis, PayPal has proven its resilience and ability to thrive in any environment. And now, with the rise of mobile payments, the explosion of online shopping, and the increasing demand for seamless, secure transactions, PayPal is positioned better than ever to capitalize on this massive growth. The digital economy is booming, and PayPal is right at the heart of it. PayPal is positioned better than ever to capitalize on this massive growth. Their user-friendly app and robust platform make it easy for anyone to manage their finances on the go, ensuring that they remain a top choice for digital payments. They're not just riding the wave, they're the ones creating it. PayPal is setting trends and leading the charge in the digital payment revolution, making waves in the fintech industry. We're talking about a company with a global reach, a trusted brand, and a laser focus on making financial services accessible to everyone. PayPal's mission is to democratize financial services, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their location or financial status, has access to the tools they need to manage their money. From peer-to-peer payments to online shopping, international money transfers to cryptocurrency, PayPal is there, making it easier, faster, and more secure than ever before. Their diverse range of services ensures that they can meet the needs of a wide variety of users. PayPal is there, making it easier, faster, and more secure than ever before. Their commitment to security and user experience is unparalleled, ensuring that every transaction is smooth and worry-free. But here's the kicker, the reason 𝗗𝗏 is so bullish on PayPal, the reason this stock could be your ticket to millionaire status, is their incredible growth potential. PayPal is not just a company, it's a powerhouse with the potential to redefine the future of finance. Is there incredible growth potential? The fintech market is expanding rapidly, and PayPal is perfectly positioned to take advantage of this growth. Their innovative approach and strong market presence make them a force to be reckoned with. We're talking about a company that's just scratching the surface of what they're capable of. The possibilities are endless, and PayPal is just getting started. Their dedicated team is constantly working on new ideas and solutions to keep them ahead of the curve. Think about the sheer volume of transactions happening online every single day, every single minute, every single second. The digital economy is growing at an unprecedented rate, and PayPal is right in the middle of it all. Now imagine a significant chunk of those transactions flowing through PayPal's platform. The potential for growth is enormous, and PayPal is well positioned to capture a large share of this market. That's the kind of market dominance we're talking about, the kind of potential that gets investors like 𝗗𝗏 fired up. PayPal's strong market position and innovative approach make it an attractive investment opportunity. And let's not forget about Venmo, PayPal's secret weapon, the social payment app that's become a cultural phenomenon. Venmo has changed the way people think about money, making it easy and fun to send and receive payments. It's the go-to platform for millennials and Gen Z, the future of consumer spending. These younger generations are driving the digital economy, and Venmo is their preferred payment method. With Venmo in their back pocket, PayPal has a direct line to the next generation of shoppers, a captive audience that's already comfortable using their platform. This gives PayPal a significant advantage in the market when you take into account their established presence, constant innovation, and their finger on the pulse of the future of finance. With a market cap of $67.36 billion and annual revenue of $31.8 billion, the company remains a dominant force. Yet, despite its strong fundamentals, including a net income of $4.15 billion, EPS of $4.03 and a price-to-earnings ratio of 16.86. PayPal's current stock price of $67.94 is trading at a significant 84% discount to its fair value estimate of $125.27. The company's new management has injected fresh energy, leading to impressive Q4 earnings and a promising outlook. Key growth strategies include expanding Venmo, with projections to reach $2 billion in revenue by 2027 through increased merchant adoption and in-store spending initiatives. Analysts are beginning to see PayPal as a bargain stock with major turnaround potential, backed by strategic partnerships and a strong presence at industry events like the Morgan Stanley Technology, Media and Telecom Conference. That said, competition is intensifying. The rise of Apple Pay and Stripe has raised concerns about PayPal's ability to defend its market share. However, financial analysis suggests the company remains well-positioned, boasting a healthy profit margin of 16.76%, a return on equity of 20.31%, and a conservative debt-to-equity ratio of 0.48. These figures indicate a fundamentally strong and undervalued stock. From a broader investment perspective, PayPal's efficiency ratings, shareholder-friendly policies like buybacks, and a resilient global presence further reinforce its long-term appeal. With an 8/10 rating and competitive strength, largely due to brand power and network effects, PayPal stands as a solid opportunity for investors seeking value in the fintech space. PayPal's innovative approach and strong market presence make it an attractive investment opportunity. This isn't just about making money, it's about being a part of something big, something revolutionary. PayPal is changing the way we think about money, and being a part of that journey is an exciting opportunity. Now let's talk about a company that's no stranger to sparking connections, Match Group, ticker symbol, Montana. CH. This company has revolutionized the way we think about dating and relationships in the modern world. From its humble beginnings to becoming a titan in the digital dating space, Match Group has consistently been at the forefront of innovation and user experience. This isn't your grandma's dating service, folks. Gone are the days of awkward blind dates set up by well-meaning friends or family members. Today, the power to find love is literally at your fingertips, thanks to the myriad of apps and platforms under the Match Group umbrella. This is a digital empire, a sprawling network of interconnected services that cater to every conceivable demographic and preference. Whether you're looking for a serious relationship, a casual fling, or just someone to chat with, Match Group has got you covered. A global powerhouse that's completely transformed how we find love, companionship, and everything in between. Their reach extends far beyond the borders of any single country, making it possible for people from all walks of life to connect and form meaningful relationships. We're talking about the names you know, the apps you use, the brands that have become synonymous with online dating, Tinder, Hinge, Match.com, OkCupid, the list goes on and on. Each of these platforms offers a unique experience tailored to different user needs and preferences. They've got a platform for everyone, no matter your age, your interests, or your relationship goals. From young adults looking for their first love to older individuals seeking companionship, Match Group's diverse portfolio ensures that there's something for everyone. But here's the thing that makes Match Group so intriguing, so potentially lucrative. They're not just connecting people, they're creating a whole ecosystem around dating and relationships. This ecosystem is designed to keep users engaged and coming back for more, creating a cycle of continuous growth and innovation. They're constantly innovating, constantly adding new features, constantly finding ways to enhance the user experience and keep people coming back for more. Whether it's through advanced algorithms, new communication tools, or unique user experiences, Match Group is always pushing the envelope. Think about it. They've tapped into one of the most fundamental human desires, the need for connection. In a world where people are increasingly isolated, the ability to connect with others is more valuable than ever, and they've done it in a way that's fun, accessible, and surprisingly effective. The user-friendly interfaces, the engaging features, and the sheer variety of options make it easy for anyone to dive into the world of online dating. In a world that's increasingly digital, increasingly mobile, Match Group has positioned itself as the go-to solution for finding love in the 21st century. Their ability to adapt to changing technologies and user behaviors has kept them at the top of the game. But it's not just about swiping right and hoping for the best. Match Group is leveraging technology in fascinating ways, using data and algorithms to create more meaningful connections, to help people find what they're truly looking for. This data-driven approach ensures that users are matched with compatible partners, increasing the likelihood of successful relationships. Match Group is leveraging technology in fascinating ways, using data and algorithms to create more meaningful connections, to help people find what they're truly looking for. This data-driven approach ensures that users are matched with compatible partners, increasing the likelihood of successful relationships. they're also expanding into new markets, exploring new frontiers in the world of online dating. As they continue to grow, they're constantly looking for new opportunities to connect people in innovative ways. From virtual dating experiences to AI-powered matchmaking, Match Group is always one step ahead, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These cutting-edge technologies are not just gimmicks, they represent the future of how we will connect and form relationships. Match Group holds a market cap of $7.87 billion with a revenue stream of $3.48 billion in 2024. Despite a strong profit margin of 20.24%, Match Group's stock price of $31.34 is trading at a staggering 182% discount to its estimated fair value of $88.46. Leadership transitions are shaping the company's future. On March 3, 2025, 𝗗𝗟𝗧 was promoted to Chief Operating Officer, replacing 𝗗𝗟𝗨𝗦, who will remain as an advisor. This move signals a renewed focus on operational efficiency. Market analysts have identified Match Group as a top-value stock, suggesting that its diversified brand portfolio and strong user base could drive long-term growth. However, certain financial red flags demand attention. A highly negative return on equity, 865.98%, and a negative debt-to-equity ratio, -61.81, suggest unusual accounting effects or past financial restructuring that require deeper analysis. Meanwhile, the company has prioritized share buybacks over aggressive growth investments, leading to mixed reactions from analysts regarding capital allocation. Despite these challenges, Match Group maintains a competitive advantage, earning a 7/10 moat rating, backed by strong brand recognition and network effects. While competitors like Bumble and eHarmony remain fierce, Match Group's valuation metrics indicate a potentially rewarding opportunity for long-term investors. The combination of a strong brand, innovative technology, and a growing user base makes Match Group a compelling investment opportunity. It's not just about the millions of people already using their platforms, it's about the millions more who will join in the years to come. As the world becomes more connected, the demand for online dating services is only going to increase. It's about the global reach, the brand recognition, and the undeniable appeal of finding love in the digital age. Match Group has positioned itself perfectly to capitalize on these trends, making it a company to watch in the coming years. Finally, let's talk about a company that's quietly powering the future. Advanced Micro Devices, ticker symbol AMD. Now, I know what you're thinking, semiconductors, microchips. This doesn't sound very exciting, right? But let me tell you, these tiny pieces of technology are the unsung heroes of our modern world. They are the foundation upon which our digital lives are built. Wrong. This is where the magic happens, folks. In these high-tech laboratories, engineers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating the next generation of technology that will drive innovation for years to come. This is the engine room of the digital revolution. Data centers filled with rows upon rows of servers, all powered by the incredible processing power of AMD's chips. AMD is at the forefront of this technological revolution, designing and producing the high-performance processors that power everything from our smartphones and laptops to gaming consoles and data centers. These processors are the brains behind the devices we use every day, enabling us to work, play, and connect with the world. We're talking about the brains behind the operation, the silicon heart that makes it all possible. Without these tiny chips, our digital world would come to a standstill. And here's the thing. AMD isn't just keeping up with the competition, they're blowing them out of the water. They're constantly innovating, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with semiconductor technology. They're delivering faster speeds, higher performance, and greater efficiency, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with semiconductor technology. This is a company that's not afraid to challenge the status quo, to go head-to-head with the biggest players in the industry, and they're winning. They're gaining market share, they're attracting top talent, and they're building a reputation for excellence. But here's the real kicker. I see AMD as a potential gold mine. The demand for their products is only going to increase. Think about it. We live in a world that's becoming increasingly digital, increasingly reliant on powerful computing. With a market cap of $161.71 billion and annual revenue of $25.79 billion, the company remains a major player despite trading at $99.70. Nearly 90% below its estimated fair value of $189.32. The excitement around AMD's future growth centers on its data center segment, which is projected to drive double-digit revenue increases, fueled by innovations like the MI350X architecture. The company is also gaining ground in the graphics card market, particularly in artificial intelligence applications, despite stiff competition from NVIDIA. Financially, AMD maintains a solid position with a profit margin of 7.71%, and a return on equity of 2.85%. The company operates with minimal debt, as reflected in its exceptionally low debt-to-equity ratio of 0.01, reducing financial risk. Recent insider transactions, including purchases by high-ranking executives, suggest confidence in the company's trajectory. While recent market conditions have placed downward pressure on AMD's stock, some analysts view this as an oversold opportunity with potential for a rebound. The broader Nasdaq Composite Index has seen corrections, influencing AMD's stock movements as part of a larger trend. A deeper fundamental analysis positions AMD as a strong, efficiently managed company with a high Altman Z-score, favorable Piotrowski and Benioff M scores, and a clear undervaluation based on intrinsic value estimates. With a competitive edge against rivals like Intel, Nvidia, and Qualcomm, AMD remains an attractive long-term play in the semiconductor industry. From artificial intelligence and machine learning to cloud computing and the Internet of Things, the need for high-performance processors is only going to grow exponentially in the years to come, and AMD is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this massive demand. They've got the technology, they've got the vision, and they've got the momentum to become a true giant in the tech industry. This isn't just about investing in a company, it's about investing in the future, in the technologies that will shape our world. AMD is not just a company, it's a cornerstone of the digital age, a key player in the ongoing evolution of technology. It's about investing in the future, in the technologies that will shape our world. The future is bright, and AMD is lighting the way. In summary, PayPal, Match Group, and AMD all present unique investment opportunities. PayPal stands out as an undervalued fintech leader with strong fundamentals and a compelling turnaround story. Match Group offers deep discount value, but comes with financial complexities that require careful scrutiny. AMD, despite market volatility, remains a solid contender in the AI and semiconductor space, backed by innovation and strong financial discipline. For investors looking for potential bargains in today's market, these stocks warrant a closer look. So there you have it, folks. 3 high-potential stocks that could make you a millionaire in just 10 days. If you want to take your investing to the next level, Forecaster is the ultimate tool I trust to find incredible stocks like these. Don't wait. Try it for free today. Just click the link in the description with my code Galore10 for an exclusive 10% discount. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these stocks are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more explosive stock tips and insights. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Until next time, happy investing.